In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a layer editable in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and look at the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Sometimes you may try to move a layer, draw on it, or apply an effect, but nothing happens. This usually means the layer is locked. To check this, look at the layer in the Layers panel and see if there is a lock icon on it. If you see the lock symbol, that means the layer is currently locked and cannot be edited. To unlock it, simply click on the lock icon directly in the Layers panel. Once you click it, the lock will disappear and the layer will become fully editable. You will now be able to move it, draw on it, erase parts of it, or apply adjustments as needed. This is the first and most common way to make a layer editable. The second situation involves layers such as text layers, shape layers, or smart objects. These types of layers are not pixel-based, which means certain edits or filters cannot be applied directly to them. For example, if you try to apply a filter to a smart object or text layer, Photopea may prompt you to rasterize the layer first. In many cases, when you attempt to apply a filter, a message will automatically appear asking if you want to rasterize the layer. You can simply click OK to proceed. If no message appears, you can manually rasterize the layer by right-clicking on it in the Layers panel and selecting Rasterize from the drop-down menu. Once the layer is rasterized, it becomes pixel-based, and you can apply filters, effects, and other detailed edits without restriction. After rasterizing, you will be able to fully edit the layer as needed, and this is how you can make a layer editable in Photopea.